Hey guys, so you remember a while ago we learned about the standard units of length. Do you guys remember what those are? That's right, inch, foot, yard, and a mile. So, since we're learning about the metric system, do you guys have any idea of what the lengths are called in this system? They're millimeter, centimeter, decimeter, meter, and kilometer. Good job. So, I bet you guys have heard about kilometer before. Have you guys heard of a 5K or a 10K, like a race or something? Yeah, we have one in our hometown. That's right. So, a 5K, do you guys have any idea how long it would be in miles if we convert it into miles? It's going to be about 3 miles. That's right. So, if a 5K is 3 miles, a 10K is, yeah, 6 miles. Good job, you guys. So, now what we're going to do is I have in front of me this cube. It's called a centimeter cube. Each side is a centimeter, and it's called a cube because a three-dimensional square is a cube. That's right. And each side is 1 centimeter. Then I also have this rod. This is consisted of 10 of the centimeter cubes. So this centimeter cube, rod. Right. Now, each rod is made up of 10 cubes. So if this is 10 cubes, how long is our rod? That's right, it's going to be 10 centimeters long. Now, what I want you to do is think about how you could use this rod to measure different lengths, different objects in the room. What do you think? Right, so we would have to use maybe a lot of them for if it's on the floor, or we could just use a different point of the metric system, like a meter or something. All right, so now that you guys are done going around the room and measuring different objects with our tens rods, what do you know about the decimeter? So, 1 decimeter is equal to 10 centimeters. So this rod is actually a decimeter. The metric system is based of units and groups of 10. That's very important to remember when we are converting all of the different lengths, like millimeter, centimeter, decimeter, meter, and kilometer. So what can you do when you measure something with a decimeter, but the object is a little longer or a little shorter than the decimeter? So if I'm measuring this, and I have this piece of paper, and I'm measuring it with the decimeter. Oh, but it's too long. So we get another one, right? But then what if we have this side of the paper? And we put this up. It's a little too short, so we can just add a centimeter. When we add the centimeter with the decimeters, what length or which system length would we be using in order to tell our answer? Will we use centimeter or decimeter? Right, we would use centimeter because that is the smallest amount. If the decimeter is too big and we have to break that up, we have to make sure that we use the length of the smaller part as well. And since a centimeter or a decimeter is too big to fit into a centimeter, that's why we would use the centimeter. All right, you guys, so now what you're going to do is you're going to break up and we're going to work on a little worksheet. 1 through 6, we are all going to work together, and then 7 through 12, I want you guys to do it on your own, and then we'll regroup afterwards and we can have a discussion about your answers.